Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashid in Houston, and on my channel I like to review leather bags, fountain pens, and other such things. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Speedy that I just received in the mail just now. It came super packed in this box. I already took the outer covering off. Here it is. Waiting for this for a long time. Let me see. This is difficult doing it with one hand. Here it is with the dust bag. Oh, wow, and here it is. Beautiful. And here it is. Really beautiful. I've never owned a Speedy before. This will be my first one. Here, kicking off packaging. Has no feet. Let's unzip her and see. Comes with shoulder strap. She also comes just some charms and other things. I'll show you once I have them unwrapped and on the bag. So here's my Speedy in all her glory. She comes with this cute tassel that I attached. The bag also came with this cute chain and with the lock and key for the bag. And it comes with this leather shoulder strap. It's really beautiful. Really happy. Never had a Speed before. Very nice indeed.